Hey my chummies, welcome to my channel. This is Collie Calls. Give me thumbs up, and if you love my videos, do not be afraid to hit the subscribe button. Today, guys, we're gonna talk about rebounds. Rebound. A rebound, it's when someone is still in love with someone else, but things are not working out or they've broken up, but they're still in love with that person. Kodwa-ke, then they find someone else, ukuthini, bamthobe amanxeba, for them to forget about the ex or about that person that they're in love with. Guys, some things are really painful. Some things are really painful. Do you know there's people who send other people texts and tell them, Mina, I was not in it for love. When are you just my rebound? Mina bengizama ukukhohlwa uSkhumbuzo or mina bengizama ukukhohlwa uDonald, guys. Wow. 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 And I'm gonna say wow again. So today I got texts, today I got screenshots from some of you guys to share with me your rebound texts, where someone has sent you a text, ukuthi athi Mamela, you just a rebound to me, mina nawe, we're not on the same lane, you know? Oh, they were sent by you guys. So mina ke, I'm not gonna reveal names. I'm just gonna read the text. Only. Kuphela nje. And that's it. I'm not gonna say ukuthi hey Mamela uzbanibani bamthumela i-text ethi. No, mina ngizokutshela ukuthi ithini into ayitholile. Ungangibuzi futhi, don't even ask me ukuthi ibuya kubani or beyiya kubani. I know, of course, I know, but I'm not gonna share that with you. So let's go to the first one. Uthi lona, listen, I need to be real with you. You are just a rebound for me. I was hurting and I used you to get over someone else. Wow. I'm not proud of it. Melunga be proud. But it's the truth. You are not the one I want to be with, and I'm not going to keep pretending like you are. Yini tshela abantu into ezinje? Into ezibuhlungu kanje 99. Mara yazi abanye abantwana bazolala kabuhlungu. Yazi ibuhlungu lento. Mina vele, let me go to the second one. I think it's time we were honest with each other. You are my rebound, and I'm not going to sugarcoat it. I was lonely. And I settled for you. But the truth is, I'm still hung up on someone else. You are just a placeholder until I get them back. You deserve better than that. You guys. Manje bawusayenzani nomunye umntwana? Bawusayenzani? Because what if yena ukhethile? Bawusayenzani vele? Guys, is this fair? Like, tell me, right ukutshela umntana abantu ukuthi mina ngisathanda uzibandani. Yeah? Mina ngisakufuni, ngithanda uzibandani loya, lo bengitshela ukuthi i-ex, but kahle no. Ngisamthanda. Wena, yo guys, this is painful. Let's go to the third one. Uthi, I'm done pretending like this is going to work out. You are my rebound, and I'm not going to keep using you to get over someone else. You are a great person, and you deserve someone who's actually into you. Let's just end this now and move on. I don't know, but I think this one, uvele wathi nje stop the lorry, kusase early. Uyabona? Because uyambona ukuthi this person is a great person, and akumelanga kudlalwe ngaye, and then uyabona ukuthi no ngidlala ngaye. But mina, no, I'm not into them. So I feel like this is fair enough. Ukuthi amtshele kusase early ukuthi no, I'm done. I can't. I'm not in love with you. You're just my rebound. As painful as it is, but the truth shall set you free. The fourth one, Uti. I was stupid and selfish, and I used you to get over my ex. You are just a rebound, and I'm not proud of it. But I'm not going to keep lying to you and pretending like this is going to work out. You're better off without me. Uthi ngithi bengiyisilima. But why isilala ngabanye abantwana? Mawuqeda uyasho ukuthi bengiyisilima vele nje siyakujudge. Why? Pendula, why? Guys, I'm gonna go to the fifth one. Remember, I only read 5 of the messages that I get from you chummies, but If you need more, just let me know. I can read more. And it'll also depend. Ukuthi ngiyathola ama screenshots from you guys, or what do you think? Do you think we should continue and just stick with the standard of reading out 5 text messages per video, or should we add one more if it's possible? But that's gonna depend. Ukuthi do I get people sending me their experiences, and then mina ke bese ngiyafilter and I check ukuthi okay, lawa ahamba ukuthi lawa ahamba nala topic, lawa ahamba nale topic. It's gonna be up to you guys. So let me read the 5th one, which is the last one for today. I'm not going to keep doing this. I'm not going to keep pretending like I'm into you when I'm not. You are my rebound, and I'm just not that into you. You are wasting your time with me. Move on and find someone who's actually interested. Guys, why, Lena? I just feel like I want to read it again. I feel like I don't understand. I understand this 5th one. Can I read it again? Uti, I'm not going to keep doing this. I'm not going to keep pretending like I'm into you when I'm not. Yaban, you are my rebound, and I'm just not into that. Oh, and I'm just not that into you. You are wasting your time with me. Move on and find someone who's actually interested in you. This person is like, they're excusing themselves for being involved with you. Uthi wena angisakhoni uwe, but when you are wasting your own time being with me. So but akazibali ukuthi he or she is the one wasting your time. Hi guys, kanti ninjani manje ngasabafuna abanye abantwana? Ninje vele? Hayi. Ya. Ni-right vele ninje? Hayi nina. Ngi-right. Ngi-grand. For today, nina niyaherana yes. Niyaherana, yabo lo bamherile. Yazini, guys, just let me know what you think about a rebound. Should you let the person know from the word go ukuthi you are just my rebound, so that they can know ukuthi nabo basete their own boundaries, or just string them along until when uba right, and then you let them know at a later stage. Okay guys, this is it for today, and bye.